In today's video, we're going to start teaching you how to troubleshoot some of the most common issues with the LimLogic pumps. You're going to need a few different devices. The pump itself, the clear plastic disc that comes with the pump when you receive it, the O-ring, and you will need either the fob or you will need the app on the iPhone. In this first video, we're going to show you one of the most common issues we see, which is a clog in either the pump itself or possibly in the check valves, the indications that go along with that, and also how to remedy that. Go ahead and insert the O-ring, making sure that it sits correctly on the device. You should be able to turn it upside down and the O-ring not fall out. Next, go ahead and turn the pump on using this button. You should hear one beep, and then place the disc on top of the unit itself. Go into the app, and you will be able to see right here will be what is the real-time vacuum level that the pump is pulling. You will see the maximum, the user preferred, and the range. Now you will see that the pump is pumping up to the user preferred and maximum, but is very quickly dropping down through the range and will recycle. That's your indication that it is usually a clog in either the pump itself or again in the check valves. Next, we'll go over how to flush the unit. You will need a flat tip screwdriver, and you will need your mixture of 50% alcohol, 50% water. Go ahead and use the flat tip screwdriver to remove the elbow, and set both the elbow and the screwdriver to the side. Next, while the pump is still on and the disc is still on top, go ahead and use the alcohol water mixture in the release valve. What that does is that isolates your external check valve and helps flush that. Once you have done that, you can turn the pump off, remove the disc, set that to the side, remove the gasket, set that to the side as well, turn the pump back on. Once it begins running, go ahead and put a little bit of the alcohol into the intake. You will notice it will come out of your exhaust port. Let the pump run until it times out, approximately 30 seconds. Then repeat that process. Turn the pump on again. Once it begins running, put a little bit more alcohol and let it run till it times out one more time. Once you have successfully flushed the pump, you will need to diagnose if that corrected the issue. You will need either the fob or the phone app. You will need the gasket, again, put onto the top of the LimLogic and seated in place. Put the diagnostic disc on top of the running pump, and then pair the LimLogic with the app. If the flushing was successful and cleared the clog, what we expect to see is a much more steady level of vacuum. If the level of vacuum is still fluctuating, the next thing that you'll want to do is take your thumb and place it over the release valve. If that slows the rate of decline, or if it eliminates and makes the unit more steady, that will indicate that it is a check valve issue, and you can order a check valve repair kit from Willowood and have that done in your office. If neither of those are the issue, then it is an internal issue with the pump. Please contact Willowood's customer service to see if the pump is still under warranty, and if so, have them replace it using an RMA.